So let's get started with some of my favorite bratty sounds. So we're gonna do, let's do a meow, meow, meow. Meow, meow, meow. Meow, 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 meow. Meow, 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 meow. Meow, meow, meow. And it helps just to start off saying it first, especially because my voice is still warming up. I'm not rushing to the scale. I'm just gonna say it and I'm just gonna allow my voice to get used to it over a range of different pitches. Meow, meow, meow. Meow, 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 meow. Meow, meow, meow. And I'm just going to play around with the sound a little bit, you know, and really over-enunciate as well with it a little bit. Meow, meow, meow. Meow, 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 meow. And then I'll even try and just narrow my vowel a little bit. Meow, meow, meow. Meow, meow, meow. To see how that feels. Meow, 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 meow. Meow, 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 meow. Meow. So it took a couple of minutes there for my voice to kind of get into it, or a minute, but a minute of just saying it really helps the voice to get into it before rushing it onto the scale. So now we can take it to the scale, and there's many sounds that you can work with when it comes to the bratty sounds. So it's all about just finding what works for your voice on the day, you know. There are days when a wow, 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 wow really works for my voice. And then the nay, 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 which actually doesn't feel as right for my voice today. Or you can try na, 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 na. Oh, and that feels amazing. Maybe I'll try that one. Maybe I'll add that one in my warm-up after doing the meow. So let me do the meow, since I started with that one, and let's do it on the scale. We'll do it on the 5-tone descending scale. Actually, no, let's do it on the arpeggio. Meow, 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 meow. 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 And what's really important to remember when you're warming up your voice and you're doing these bratty witchy sounds is that don't get louder as you get higher. You know, don't get louder as you get higher. Just really think about how you're going about hitting those notes. Be really intentional with it. If you are someone that tends to get a little bit more on the louder or yellier side when you sing, then just intentionally be mindful of the fact that you just want to keep it relaxed. And even that can just help so much. A lot of our singing is related to how we think about it. So even my job as a vocal coach, a lot of that is getting the people that I'm working with to think about the way that they sing differently, you know? So yeah, so let me do this. Meow, 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 meow. You'll notice that I'm not getting like really loud. I'm not going meow. I'm going really crazy with it as I get higher, right? Meow, 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 meow. I'm just being really intentional. Meow, 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 meow. Thinning it out. Meow, 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 meow. Meow, 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 meow. Meow, 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 meow. And I'm just thinking about being really annoying right now. Meow, 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 meow. Meow, 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 meow. And you just gotta get really silly with it. Don't try and over-sing it. Just keep it really chilled and just silly and like you're almost saying it and you're just trying to annoy someone. Meow, 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 meow. 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 Ah! Na, 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 na. Yeah, good. All right. So that's my warm-up. That is my daily warm-up, and I just wanted to jump on and do that warm-up with you. Obviously, you can do a few more exercises depending on where your voice is at on the day. Your voice will give you different things on different days. It doesn't give you the same thing every day. It's one of the most adjustable instruments. So it's just knowing how to get the most out of your voice every day. Your vocal warm-up, it doesn't mean that it's going to be the same every day. It may change. Mine changes. Mine changes depending on where my voice is at. And I think that's what's really important for us as singers, is to understand our voices and understand how to get out of our voices the best every single day, you know. And yeah, if your voice is like today, for example, my voice was a little bit more on just a little bit more on the breathier, just a little bit more breathier. I just needed to make sure that I was getting my vocal cords to close well, you know, and that's not always the case. So I had to really work with those G consonants to get my vocal cords to close, to get that clean, efficient vocal cord closure. So I needed to do that today, but that doesn't mean tomorrow when I warm up my voice, that might not be the case. So I just adjust it, and obviously as a vocal coach, understand what exercises are going to counteract different issues that I face on a daily basis with my voice. But yeah, so that was my vocal warm up. I hope you enjoyed it. Obviously, warming up your voice and training your voice, it's boring. It can be boring and it can be mundane, but if you wanna get the results, then you have to put in the work, you know. And sometimes putting in the work it's not always the most fun. It can be boring. Do you think runners want to train for a marathon in like freezing cold weather? No, but they get up and do it because they're disciplined, because they want the results, because they're seeing what their end goal is. They're seeing what their North Star is, and they're making decisions that's going to help them in the like move towards that direction, you know? So yeah, anyway, I always say this, put in the work, you will get the results. All right, that's it from me. Until next time, mwah!